Alright guys, this is your weekend trade with Chris Diodato. I would have done this tomorrow, but I have a feeling that our opportunity to take this trade is going to be gone by tomorrow. So either watch the video today, put in your order, and say, good thing I saw that video today because there's money to be made. It's a low risk trade actually. Now this one isn't as low risk as the other ones that I've done, but it's still, from the looks of it, going to be a very good trade to do. If you haven't noticed by now, I really like trading triangles because they're usually easy to see and they're dependable. Like, I don't like picking reversal patterns that much. Like head and shoulders, they're good patterns, but I prefer doing triangles. So I'm going to extend my line out to there. That's my top line, sitting around $12, and our bottom trend line. Now take a look. Take a look at this. You got 3 touches. That triangle, I am so glad that I saw it now because, as you can see, it is right about to break out. Like I said, you have 1, maybe 2 days before it goes above $12. And let's see, measuring how far it's going to go up, you measure from the bottom of the first dip to the resistance line, and then duplicate the exact distance of that line, measure it above. From the looks of it, that one we got a little chopped off the bottom, so I'm going to move that up just a little. From the looks of it, our objective is going to be 1450. So we have I entered my trade at 1169. 1169 divided by 1450. So what we're going for is a short term, because this is a short term triangle. Short term, roughly about 20% gain if you can get in today. So here's what we got. Our triangle here, we have a 1450 target. That means I'm setting my order just to stay safe at $14. And I'll show some divergence analysis in another video, like how to do it and everything. But in the meantime, I'll just do it right here. We have 3 oscillators, 10-day rate of change, 21-day Chaikin money flow, and the 14-day relative strength indicator. Right now we have still a fairly uptrending, even though it's a weak uptrending relative strength indicator, meaning neither overbought nor oversold, but moving closer to overbought, which means that a bull market is close, because in bull markets stocks consistently go to overbought. The money flow, which is a breadth or volume oscillator, that's going up, which is showing that money is flowing from the negative side to the positive side over the 21-day average, which is great. Our volume right here, we're seeing more volume on the upswings than on the downswings, and the downswings are getting on low volume, so it means that the bulls are mainly in control. So check there. And finally, momentum, even though we've seen it basically break this trend line right there, we are still above 0, and that is the typical characteristic of right before a a triangle breakout, because it always stalls right beforehand, just like it's doing right now. See, we had just very little movement on these days compared to the rest of the triangle. Alright, so you know the drill. Buy in, make sure to calculate your risk and position size looking at the other video that I posted on how much should I buy. Should be in my channel. Personally, I like risking 1 or 2% of my entire account, so I bought in 83 shares, so I'm risking 2% of my account. Well, my trading account for this case. So there's your trade for the weekend, and I'll go over all the things I did in this bottom section here some other time. But for now, we gotta head to class. Alright, thanks for watching.